Morning mga madam people. This is the road of City of Paungon, Philippines. This is the driver.
Cagayan River mo.
And Cagayan River. You cannot see that because the sun is so shining.
Against the light.
So brightness, so wonderful, and mini trees. This is the city of Philippines, Bukidnon. So many house in the highway road. My driver is very hyper.
Hyper nga, imo na Yan. Ikisan mo.
Many people in the highway road. And checkpoint.
Hatag na sad. Last na ni Doro.
Hmm? We stop in the checkpoint because there was no problem. We off the video because my driver did not